Hi guys, in this video we'll be discussing the importance of osmoregulation and how is balance maintained. We'll also be discussing maintaining constant iron content and finally a summary.
Osmoregulation is a form of homeostasis and it's defined as the maintenance of constant water levels in the body, and this is mainly controlled by the kidneys. In this video, I'll be talking about why it's important to keep water levels constant and also how to maintain it. So it's important to keep water levels in your body constant, otherwise body cells may be affected. Let's say if there's too much water in the blood. Well, if this happens, water will move into cells by osmosis from a high to a low concentration. This causes these cells to swell or burst, and this is called lysis. These red blood cells are undergoing lysis. This kills the cell. So what if the reverse happens? What if there's not enough water in the blood? Well, if this happens, water will move out of the cells by osmosis. This causes them to shrink. So water moves out of these cells from a high to a low concentration through osmosis. So if there's too little or too much water, these cells may become damaged or may not function properly. This is why it's extremely important to maintain constant water levels. So how is this balance maintained? To maintain constant water and salt levels in the blood, the body has to constantly balance the amount of water and salt coming in with the amount that's lost. So the amount of water going into the cell equals the amount of water being lost from the cell. Now let's talk about some of the ways water or salt is lost from the body. One way of losing water is through the lungs, where water leaves as water vapour during exhalation. This means water leaves your body as you are breathing out. Another way of losing water, ions and urea is from the skin in sweat. For example, you might lose a lot of water if you exercise and sweat a lot. This is why it's really important to take in water again to rehydrate yourself. You also lose water, ions and urea in urine produced by the kidneys. Now let's talk about the ways you gain water and salt.
Hey guys, to continue watching this video and unlock hundreds of other super concise and exam board specific GCSE biology and combined science videos, just click the Snap Revise smiley face. Join me today and together let's make biology at GCSE a walk in the park.